Okay guys, welcome back for part 2 of this retro arcade bar top repair or completion, whatever it is. Did a quick bit of cleaning on it. The keys weren't too bad actually. This one here was sticky, but that's fine now. Just used some white spirits just to give it a clean round the edge of the actual switch. Seems to have loosened it up, but we had two over this side which are now fine. Again, just like 5 or 10 minutes just to give them a quick clean. Everything else seems okay. So that's all the buttons back in operation. Round the back, I've gave everything a good clean. You can actually see the box now. It is a Pandora box. Sorry it's upside down, but there it is there, Pandora box 4. And I did a quick check, I think we're up to 18 or something now, so it's probably got this a lot longer. Well, a few years before I thought I did. I was thinking 7 or 8 years, but it may actually be longer. So everything's, I've gave everything a quick clean. I've cleaned all the connections, tried to get rid of as much dust as possible. Quick hoover out, and we're ready for a test. Now I thought there was 3 plugs required, but I completely forgot. The Pandora box gets a supply from here, a 12 volt supply from the power supply there, so I've got the 2 plugs here. So that's one in. Now the extension lead's not switched on yet, so I just want to make sure everything's all set, and then I'll go and switch it on. I'll just shut this door over a bit. And keep some of the light out. So there we go. Right, let's have some power here, and we'll see what we've got. Well, that's a good sign. We've got a green light on there. Oh, there we go. After years and years of sitting in the garage, bit of a clean, and we're all back up and running again. So it's just a simple arcade shooter up console. I can't actually remember what the games that are on here, but if anyone's that interested, you can pick these older boxes up for pennies now, if you can still get hold of them, that is. I was just watching a video yesterday of the Pandora 18S, which is in one of the ones that just comes in a console like this, with the artwork and plugs straight into your TV. 3,000 games I think it had, ranging all the computer games, Commodore, Nintendo. I can't actually remember what the, oh there we go. I can't actually remember what the buttons are for this to, so there we go, 645 games. A lot of them are sort of repeats, not identical games, but it might have the original Japanese version and an American version and the UK version, so I'll try and show you some of them. It's good that I forgot you get the little demonstration of what the game is. So you've got Mario Bros and that on there. Let's go and see. I think there's about 20 or 30 Street Fighter games and King of Fighter games on here. Again, it's all because they're just different variations. 1942, one of my all-time classics. Used to play that in my old Commodore 64 many years ago. That's why we got this. I can't really play the new modern games. I tend to lose interest in all these third-person shooters like Call of Duty and things like that. They're good to begin with, but it's not the sort of thing I'm into. I like playing these old arcade retro games. Spent many hours in arcades. See, look, for example, you've got Metal Slug, but it's almost, oh, it must have started the game on there. But it's just loads and loads of different versions of the game. So that's Metal Slug. How do you get back to the menu again? Oh, I can't remember. I'll need to do a search for the, but everything works. There's the button, jump, so you get fire, jump, and your grenade. Very simple. Shows that button's working now as well. So there you go, folks. At least I know it's working now. Power, always need. I've got a small amplifier coming to run these speakers and hopefully get some more sound on it. I think it was only about £7 or £8 for the amplifier, just a little small thing. Then we'll try and get it all enclosed up. I've got a switch, if I can remember where it is, that I'm going to put here. An external switch. And the kettle lead, the long kettle lead I've got running the TV monitor, will be used as an external supply there. And then internally I'll have a little extension socket to power. Well, it'll be now be the power supply, the monitor, and the amplifier for the speaker. So I need instead of having just a plain 2-socket one, I'll need a 3-socket one. And then I can get the back on it. It came with this is all part of the kit. No covering on that, it's just, I think that's probably, I don't know, 10mm MDF. So that'll go in the back. That basically shoves in from the bottom and goes up these grooves here, this channel here. So what the plan is now, I'm not going to secure anything in until I get the amplifier for the speakers, because I need to make sure I've got enough room to fit that and the 3-plug socket. So that'll be the next video. So at least we know it's working, and hopefully have many hours of fun playing it again. Okay guys, thanks for watching.